In this chapter we will show some basic empty HTML elements. HTML elements with no content are called empty elements. The BR tag defines a line break, and is an empty element without a closing tag. HTML is not case-sensitive. HTML tags are not case-sensitive. P means the same as P. The HTML standard does not require lowercase tags, and demands lowercase for stricter document types like XHTML. HTML tag reference. HTML defines the root of an HTML document. Body defines the document's body. H1 to H6 defines HTML headings.